Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best toiletry. Here are the top 3 toiletry that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. Timberland Men's Toiletry Bag Travel Kit. This Toiletry Bags travel kit is perfect for keeping personal items organized for short weekend trips or long vacations across countries. It has space for everything required from toothpastes and deodorants to a razor and shaving cream. A fold-out brush holder keeps toothbrush safe and clean when not in use, while elastic bands keep hair products secure on the outside of the bag. Each toiletry pouch has dimensions measuring 9.25 by 5.5 by 4 inches and includes an ITSA-approved refillable plastic bottle. It consists of an airtight seal to keep everything fresh and dry and padded compartments including a zippered mesh pouch for smaller items. At number 2. Travelon Compact Hanging Toiletry. This hanging toiletry is the perfect solution for travelers who want a toiletry kit that can be hung in hotel rooms or dorms. It multiple compartments to store all the essentials and comes with an adjustable hook for hanging on shower heads or towel racks. This small-sized kit makes it easy to take on the go, and its water-resistant material ensures safe belongings while traveling. It includes a clear plastic pouch where accessories like shampoo and conditioner can be inserted for convenient traveling. Travelon Compact Hanging Toiletry comes with water-resistant features that ensures no spoilage and damage to materials. At number 1. Herchel Chapter Toiletry Kit. This toiletry kit has internal mesh storage sleeve and waterproof zipper detailed main compartment for storing accessories. It's made of durable polyester and PVC-free materials and comes with a detachable shoulder strap that can be hooked onto either side. There are 5 L of space in the main compartment, with an additional zip pocket on the front. There are also 2 side mesh pockets for quick access to smaller items, such as toothbrushes, deodorant sticks, and hair ties. The kit includes a toiletry bag, toothbrush holder, shoe bag, and key clip for a complete traveling experience with valuable accessories. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.